All right, everybody. How's everybody doing? I got the Proto little switcher finally hardwired in. I tried to use this, and for some reason, it just did not like it. And I put in a Tsunami mobile decoder and just motor and lights. That's what I put in. Don't think I really need sound in this. Don't think I want sound in it, actually. And I tried, I took the bottom gear cover off, tried to, as much as I could without breaking anything. And the gears are dry, so I put a little Labelle 106 in and oiled the bearings. And I was trying to get the shell off, hoping I could get to the motor to get to the gear for the gearbox. Maybe check my lube out there to make sure everything got lubed. Well, taking the shell off was interesting, to say the least. I finally got it off. Didn't break too many detail pieces, only broke two. Got them glued back, no issues. I used the UV resin glue, and that helped a lot. So but in taking the shell off, I got to the motor, and it was like it had a metal piece encased behind it, and then in front of it where the headlight is, it had like, it was like a weight, but it was like clamped in metal. I looked at the diagram. I saw there were screws in it. I took those out, and I tried and could not get that apart for whatever reason. So I was like, well, okay. So after testing everything out, making sure everything worked fine, I shortened the wires for the mobile decoder and straighten them up. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know why, but this is my second DCC install. Every time I try to do something with DCC, like when I did my Chesapeake, Ohio, River Rossi, Allegheny, just the lights, for whatever reason, always, the front headlights, figuring out from the decoder to the front, just messes me up. I don't know why, but I got to figure it out. And because I don't do this a lot or frequently, I forget things. So, but we're going to fire it up. It has no sound, so there's the front headlight. It's not waving in person. It's just the video that does it. And there's the rear. It is solid. It's not blinking either. There's very good crawl speed. There's number one. So it's a very, very smooth speed step. And I'm going to bump it up to 10. There's 10. I'm going to go up to 20. There's 30. 40, 50. We'll stop. There's forward. That's at 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. And all the way down to speed step 1. Very good crawl speed. So the details on this are just absolutely amazing. Part of the detail kits that came in this bag I'm sorry, it came in another bag, but I opened it up and it had cab curtains. So I figured those out. The back head detail is absolutely amazing, and of course you're not able to see it, unfortunately. But I'll get a picture when I put this video together. The back head detail on this is absolutely amazing. To be as old as this is, there are a couple of pieces that I have no idea what they're for. I can't figure it out, and there's nothing that came paperwork wise that came with it. This bag has different type of colos. Has an oil. I could switch it over to oil if I want. A couple of other extra pieces. Air tank, I'm pretty sure, I know that's for the tender. I got to figure out where that goes. Then it has a couple of different other detail pieces. I really wanted to put the headlight on the smoke box door, but then I have to move the generator, so that's the hatch, I believe, for the tender for the oil, one of the hatches. And some of these pieces I have no clue as to what they're for. So this piece was in something. It went with, man, I don't even know. I want to say it was came with the bag of the cab curtains, but I've got no idea where these go. These little guys, I don't have a clue. I can't figure them out. There's nothing in the exploded parts diagram that I could figure out what they are, but whatever. There's extra, looks like handrails and some other stuff in here. Yeah, it's pretty wild, all the details that came with those. But I'm really thoroughly happy with this, and yeah, Proto 2000 060 little switcher, Tsunami DCC Mobile Decoder. Pretty easy. So, all right, guys, that's my quick little video here. I'll get some pictures of the backhead detail when I put this video together. All right, take care. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Be safe.